In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital assignments for Google Classroom in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a teacher who's new to using Google Classroom or you're looking to make your lessons more interactive, creating digital assignments is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your students' learning experience. Let's dive right in and walk through these essential steps together. Firstly, you'll want to start by visiting classroom.google.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account. This is your gateway to all of Google's educational tools, and it's where you'll be building and distributing your assignments. With your Google account ready to go, the next step is to select the class you're planning to post your assignment in. If you don't have one set up yet, you can easily create a new class from this main dashboard. This ensures that your assignments are organized and directed to the right group of students. Once you've chosen the correct class, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Classwork tab. This area is specifically designed for managing all your class materials, including assignments, quizzes, and instructional resources. Now look for the Create button, which is your primary tool for designing new content. Clicking this button will present you with a few options. In this case, go ahead and select Assignment. This will bring up a new window where you'll enter the details of your assignment. Start by crafting a clear and descriptive title and adding thorough instructions. This step is crucial as it provides your students with a clear understanding of what is expected of them. Detail is key here to ensure that your students aren't confused about their tasks. Next, you'll want to enrich your assignment by adding attachments. Simply click on Add to upload resources like Google Docs, slides, sheets, PDFs, images, or videos. Plus, you can embed links or pull files directly from your Google Drive, providing a wealth of information and material directly in the assignment. Setting the assignment's point value is your next step. You can specify how many points the assignment is worth or choose to leave it ungraded if it's more of a formative exercise. Likewise, don't forget to set a due date to give your students a clear timeline for submission. This helps in managing class schedules and ensures assignments are submitted on time. To further enhance transparency, especially for longer tasks or projects, consider adding a grading rubric. Rubrics provide clarity on how student work will be assessed and what elements are key to success. When your assignment is ready to go, you have 3 options. Click Assign to publish it immediately, choose Schedule to post the assignment at a later, predetermined date and time, or click Save Draft if you need more time to finesse the details. Lastly, remember to monitor student submissions in the Classwork tab. Engaging with your students through feedback is invaluable, so use comments or annotations to provide insights and improvements. Once graded, return assignments to students with constructive feedback, helping them learn and grow. I hope this guide on creating digital assignments in Google Classroom was helpful.